Did you know you can still make passive income from a blog? Yes, even in 2025 with AI and ChatGPT, this still works. In fact, it's one of the easiest way to earn money in the background while you focus on other things. So kind of like a passive income that you can make from a blog. And in my previous video, link below, I showed how I started a blog a few years back, and now I make around $500 per month from it, totally passive income. But in this video, we will see 5 different ways to make money from a blog. We will go in detail in different ways to make money from a blog, and that too mostly passive income. Now, before we dive in, welcome to my channel. Here I help content creators grow their income using YouTube, blogging, and other simple online methods. Mostly creating content and promoting your own business and your own digital products. I've been doing it for over 15 years, so if you're serious about earning real income as a content creator, make sure you subscribe and like this video if you're getting value from this video. Also, download my free ebook, a checklist that I created to be a successful content creator. It's free to download, so you can check out the link below and get your free ebook. I've spent a lot of time to create this ebook. It has a lot of value in it. All right, let's get started this video. My number one way to make money is guest post income. Guest post is when another business gives you an article to publish on your website, their article. Now it will take some time to build the blog and build authority, of course, but once you have a good authority blog, people will actually pay you money to post their article on your blog. Why do they do that? Because it helps their SEO and PR. They are ready to pay from $50 to $200 per blog. That means you can make easily $500 per month by just posting 2 to 3, maybe 5 guest posts each month. Next one is digital products. You can sell ebooks, online courses, templates, whatever you have your knowledge and you put it in the ebooks or courses. Trust me when I say this, creators are making millions of dollars selling digital products. In this channel, I'm teaching exactly how to do this. So don't forget to subscribe. And this strategies go very well with YouTube. So if you have a blog, also make a YouTube channel that goes with it and try to sell your products and services from there. In all my videos, I emphasize that you must start a YouTube channel. Go watch my videos where you can see how to grow YouTube and make income. YouTube gives you traffic, helps you build trust, and you can then send users from your video to your blog. So they go well with each other. In your blog, you can further promote your digital products or services. And you can also give freebies like free ebooks, templates in your blog to get users emails, and then you can further send them emails to promote your services and products. Number 3 is offering your services in your blog and videos. Now, if you're a freelancer or coach, you already have a product or service to sell, then your blog can attract the right channels. Like I run a digital agency, we sell website and SEO services, so we promote in videos and blogs. You can write about the problems your ideal client faces. At the end of each blog, offer your service. Simple. For every blog, simply record a video and also publish on YouTube. Why? Because YouTube helps you build trust and blog brings you organic leads without running the ads. Like I said, they go very well with each other. And next one is number 4, which is building an email list and then monetizing it. Every blog post can have a call to action, like download this free guide. For example, I'm using in this video as well, I'm asking you guys to download my free checklist, which has lots of value in it. When people sign up, they go into your email list. Now you can send valuable emails and promote your products and build a long-term trust in your emails, because now you got the emails, you can have them for a long time and build trust in those weekly or monthly emails. Combine blog with the emails and YouTube channel, and it works wonders for you. Next, number 5 is display ads. Just like YouTubers make money from the ads, Same way you can make ads from AdSense on your blog. Even better, if you personally reach out to some local businesses and asking them if they want to show the ad in your blog. If they're related to your blog, they will accept, and they can pay you small monthly fee. Combine that with the guest posting income that I shared in the first point, that actually makes you a pretty good passive income. Now, there are many creators in India and overseas who are actually making millions of dollars with these same strategies. And I'm not even exaggerating. There are people who are making $20,000-$30,000 per month, and yearly they are making millions. So if you wish to learn how this all works, I created an easy to follow checklist. You can download it for free in the link below in description, and in the first pinned comments also I will put it there. Next, after this video, you can next watch my case study video. Like I said, I shared exactly how I created a blog and my whole journey when I started this blog 7 years back, and what were my challenges and how exactly I make money from that blog, and step-by-step process you can also follow. So go watch that video, link in the description. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.